Part 2 of the pasta. There is the shrimp cooking in all of its deliciousness. But basically, you're just gonna let it cook till it turns like that. Once it starts to fold in on itself and look like shrimp, that's when you're gonna want to pull it out that water. Next step, you have to put all this soupy deliciousness into a bowl. All right, now we got it in a bowl. It's looking beautiful. Now we're gonna slap chop that shit. Y'all remember the slap chop? Remember this thing? This thing is awesome. A little warm. You get it. I'm not going to slap all of them right now. And I got this nice chopped up, beautiful shrimp meat right there. This is gorgeous. And then we're going to put it right back into our broth. Get all that in there. There we go. And now the pasta noodles that I cooked not too long ago, they're gonna go in there. And then what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna grab that shrimp back out of that beautiful broth. I'm gonna layer the bottom part of this with the shrimp like that. That little bottom part is nice and layered in there. And then I'm gonna come over here and get me some of these noodles. These are all pre-cooked. Then I'm gonna get some of that broth. Go right over the top. Done.